Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps has announced the closure of the Strait of Hormuz until further notice, saying the strategic waterway will remain shut until the United States ends its interference in West Asia. However, the United States has maintained that the strait remains open. The announcement came after the US military carried out its third round of strikes on Iran this week. According to the US Central Command, around 140 Iranian military targets were hit, including missile sites, drone facilities, naval assets, and surveillance systems. The US said the operation followed an alleged Iranian attack on the Cyprus cargo ship MV GFS Galaxy, in which one crew member went missing and the vessel was badly damaged. The IRGC warned that any further military action against Iran would invite a stronger response, including attacks on additional military bases in the region. It also blamed the US, Israel, and countries hosting American military facilities for escalating the conflict. Amid the growing tensions, Iranian Foreign Minister Sayyid Abbas Araghchi met his Omani counterpart in Muscat to discuss regional security and maritime safety. Oman reiterated its support for diplomacy, while Qatar is also attempting to revive talks between Washington and Tehran. The Strait of Hormuz remains one of the world's most important oil shipping routes, and any disruption could have major implications for global energy supplies.